Hello, good morning students. In previous class we start statistics. We already studied our new chapter statistics. In statistics, in first class we discussed some basics. What is data? What is data? Collection of information. And how to represent the data? It is called statistics. Now we will start our next exercise, and also we discussed how to represent the data in two forms, in frequency distribution table, or one is ungroup frequency distribution table, second is group frequency distribution table. So we are discussing now first question of 14.2. The first question, what is the blood group of 30 students? In your class has 30 students, and every students, the blood group of every student has been given. What is the blood group are given? 30 students, A, B, O, A, B, and this one data is given, and represent this data in form of frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. To write, so in frequency distribution table, so here we have given blood group given and how many students are given. So there are, we will make table, frequency distribution table. Yes. What is given? Blood group. In the question is given blood group, and what is the blood group? A, B, AB, and O. There are 4 types of blood group: A, B, AB, and O. And here we will write number of student. Number of students. Also you can say that frequency. Frequency means how many number of. So everyone count how many students whose blood group is A. You can check from the question. How many students are blood group is A? 1, 2, 3, 4. Count everyone. And this one how many? It means it is 9 students whose blood group is 9. You can count in question. A blood group of how many students? Now B. B is 6 students. Next is AB. Count AB. AB is 3 and O is 12. Understand or no? Now in question is given, what is given? Represent this data in form of frequency distribution table. It is frequency distribution table. Yes. Next is, what is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among the students? So most common means a blood group. Which one blood group? The blood group which has more students. So which one blood group has the most students? Which one? O. It means our total student how much? You can count 9 plus 6. So total is how much? 30. In the question is what is given? So sum, you can write F. Frequency Fi equal to 30. You can write. Because total student how much? 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 12, 30. Total students is 30. But he is asking in the question which one is the common blood group. So write common blood group among 30 students is which one? O. Because O blood group is of how many students? Of 12. And now is asking which one? Second part is which one blood group is rarest group? Rarest group means a blood group which those students whose blood group are rarest means those are not in numbers, they are minimum. So which one? AB is only 3 students, right? Rarest blood group. How much? Is AB. Is AB. So 3 students had rarest blood group is which one? AB. It is frequency distribution table. Very easy exercise. Only we have to make the tables. We have to represent the data in frequency distribution table. Note down it. Now we start second question. Next is last question. This one I explained it, and rest of do yourself. All questions are same. Understand or not? So read everyone. The distance in kilometer. The distance in kilometer given of 40 engineers from their residence. Residence means home. From residence to their place of work were as follow. There are the distance between your residence and your home, your workplace is given of how many engineers? Total 40 students. And this one is given like this one. First engineer. The first engineer. The distance of between the distance of residence and workplace of the first engineer is 5, 3, 10. Like this one, they are 40 engineers. So like this one. To construct a group frequency distribution table, we have to make a group frequency distribution table, and we know what is. The next is group frequency distribution table on with class size is 5. Class size is of 5. What is meaning of class size 5? It means suppose 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Like it is class size is 5. Next is given about taking the first interval, and the question is already given. The first interval we have to take from 0 to 5, and what main feature do you observe from the tabular representation? It is, you can say that tabular form also, yeah, frequency distribution table. Understand? So tell me, the question is two things is given: distance given between workplace and residence and number of engineers. So we write. Make table first. So write distance. Distance in kilometer. Now number of engineers. It means it is frequency. Now. And class interval is given, already given in question. We have to start from 0 to 5. 0 to 5. And 0 to 5. And the class size is given every time is 5. So 0 to 5. 5 to 10. 10 to 20. 20 to 30. 30 to 40. Now some students ask us where we will stop it. We will stop it here. We will check in the tables in this one which one number is highest. What number is the highest? So in this table we observe the highest number is 32. So it means if we want to represent 32, 5 to 10, sorry, 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30 and 35 to 32. 30. If you want to represent 32, this means 32 is also include in 32. This one. Understanding? Now we will count how many engineers there is. How many engineers whose distance of their residence to workplace is between 0 to 5. 0 to 5 means 0 is include, but 5 is not include. So count it. How many number of students? How many engineers? So 0 to 5. 1. देखो, first is given. Here, first is given 5, 3, 10, 20. So how will you count it? Yes, what I told you. 0 to 5 means 5 is not included. So this number is not included. So 3, yes, 3. Any other? Yes, 2 is here. Yes, 3, one more 3. 2 is here. So count this one. We will write it. It's how many? So 0 to 5 we observe here. How many engineers? There are 5 engineers whose their distance between residence and workplace is 5. And next 5 to 10. 5 to 10 mean 5 is include but 10 is not include. So count how many engineers whose distance between their residence and workplace is between 5 to 10. Which means 10 is, so it means 5 is included here. So how many these are? So count everyone. These are 11. Understand it? So this one next again 10 to 15 is also 11. Next it is 9, it is 1, it is 1 and it is 2. Understand? And we know total engineers how much? 5 plus 11. It is 4. It is very important. Maybe sometimes some student by mistake 5 to 10 right here is 10 only by mistake. 1 is left. So we have to count this one because total number of engineers how much given? Total number of engineers how much given? 40. So 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 9 13. 13 plus 11 24. 35 plus 5. So total is 40. It means we write correct. Understand it? Now in question he is asking in question, what main feature do you observe from this tabular representative? What is the main feature you can observe? There is any number you can write. Yes, we can write most of the engineers, the distance of their workplace to most of them. These are only a few engineers, but rest of or more of the engineers are the distance between their home and this one how much? 15 to 20. Otherwise you can write the main feature we can observe most of the engineers, the distance of their residence and workplace distance is between 0 to 20. Understand it? So any region you can write there. Which one you can observe? Understand? You can write the main feature. You can write the main features can be observed from table. What is? A few engineers. How many engineers? A few engineers. A few engineers. How many? A few engineers whose distance between residence to their workplace is more than 20 kilometers. Understand? So the main feature can be observed from the tables. There are a few engineers whose distance between their residence to their workplace is more than 20 kilometers. So like this one you can solve all questions, make tables and write in the question. Understand it? One more last. Which one? Third question. It is the last third question. What is? Read this one. Third part. Their relative humidity. Humidity always we will check in percentage. The relative humidity of a certain city for a month. The relative humidity of a city for the of a month of 30 days is given. How many total days? 30 days was observed, and construct a group frequency distribution table with classes 84 to 86. We have to start from 84 to 86, 86 to 80. Always we will take all the class of same size. Understand? To make it, so what is given? There are two things is given. Relative humidity. To make table. What is relative humidity? Yes, and second is given. Second is it's given frequency. How many frequency? Frequency or number of days. Number of days or frequency can write. So now we have to start from 84 to table 84 to 86, 86 to 80, and in table we observe the maximum value is 98.6. So it means it is table from 88 to 100, 100 to 120. No. 90, 92, 92, 94, 94 to 90 is like this one. 98 to 90 here. So this one. Now we will check in how many number of days whose humidity between 84 to 86. 86 mean 84, 86 mean 86 is not included, only 84. So how many days? There are only 1 day, only 1 day come. There is 2 days, 90 to 92. How many? 2 and 2 like this one. You can make a table. And from the following 2 you can write 1, 2, 2, 2, 7, and it's given 7, 6, 7 and 4. And now examiner asks different question. What is construct a frequency? Yes, first we already finished. Construct. Second is which month or season do you think this data is about? So you have to tell about in second part. We are discussing here which one month. So always remember beta, whenever relative humidity is near about 100%, whenever relative humidity is near to 100%, because they are 100% or because more than 84, and then the chances of the rain is full. Understand or not? So it's mean, so here it's mean, and if it is rain is come, it's mean it is a which one season? So it's mean it is a rainy season. So you can write the relative humidity is near to 100%. So therefore it is a rainy season. Which one? Rainy season. So we are discussing here rainy season. Understand it? Third is what is the range of this data? Range always. Range formula, note down it. If anyone asks you what is range, range means maximum value minus minimum value. If anyone asks you anytime range, so how will you find maximum value minus minimum value? Understand or not? And maximum value is, we observe in table, what is 99.92, and minus minimum value 84.9. So what is come? 12.3. So subtract it and write it. Okay, so it is 14.3. So always remember this formula. Range is, how will you find the range of any data? How will you find data? Maximum value minus minimum value. Understand it? Understand or not? So same as it is, all question you can do yourself. In question number 4, there are 50 students given and make a group is already given. In question number 4, you have to start from 162, 165, 160 and this one. And up to, we will check here which one is maximum value. So, next is question number 5. make a group is already given how to make, and for how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide is more than 0 point. So this one you can check from the table. Next 6, one more part. It is last question from this one. So which one? So tell me which one? Any number. Suppose 7th question. 7 or 6th question. The question number 6. Question number 6. What is given? It is given the value of pi up to 50 decimal. Value of pi is given up to 50 decimal. Make a frequency distribution of the digit from 0. Frequency distribution from 0 to 9. So we will write digit, because in this and number of times you can write frequency. Understand it? Otherwise you can write frequency, and we know how many digit in. How many digit here is given? Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here no need to make groups because of not given. So this means how many digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one. And you write. So you write in this question number 7. So 0 digit how many times repeat? 2 times, and 1 is 5. 2 is also 5 times. 3 is how many times in? 8 times. It is. Next is. So like this one 4, 5, 4, and 7 is how many times? 4 and 5 and 8. Understand it? And he is asking the most frequency. He is asking question number 7. What are the most and the least frequently occurring digit? Which is the most times? Yes, most time is which one? Yes, which one? 3 and 9. 3 and 9 is most time. How many times? 8 times. And next is, and least occurring. Least which one? This one. So 0 digit is least times. How many times? 2 times. So all question you will do yourself of 14 point. So it is very simple exercise. Understand it? If you have any problem, you can ask me also on WhatsApp. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.